This is assignment number 61.
I thought it was 62.
It is 62. Thank you. Yesterday was 61, today is 62. It is review part 2 for chapter 3, multiplication, and I will just tell you that we're going to skip way over after this to multiplication with decimals. It has that's in the book going to division. But since we're on this roll of multiplication, we're going to stick with multiplication and then go on to multiplication with using decimals. So we're going to look at a couple of these word problems. We're not going to do very many. I believe it was going to be that I was going to do number 56, number 57, and 59. And then I'm going to assign, I know for sure, 2 of the problems is going to be 52 and 55 because I wanted you to work with those zeros. And then we'll figure out what to do next. It is not going to be the whole entire page because it's way too many. So let's go ahead and look at this. It says the bar graph shows, and if I'm going over these, there's a good chance that some of these will be on your test. Yes, ma'am?
Do you have a pencil?
Yeah, come here real fast and get it. All right, so it says the bar graph shows the average number of visitors per day on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Use the bar graph to do 56 through 58. Assume that a year has 52 weeks. Estimate the approximate number of Friday visitors for 1 year. Who knows where the first thing we need to look at?
The question is that.
What? Thank you, the Friday visitors. So, and also the other important word is estimate. If it says estimate, do I have to find the actual number? Yes, no, maybe?
No.
No. So we're going to go ahead and put for number 56. For 56, how many people go every Friday?
188.
So 188, and they said how many, and it's in 1 year. How many weeks in a year?
365 days.
We're not asking for, we're asking for how many in a year, not per day. So you're right. We're saying it's going to be about 52 weeks. Now it said estimate. So what can I round this to?
100. Oh, wait, sorry. 200.
200. So put 200. What can I estimate this to?
50.
50.
It's actually 48 in the year, but it's assuming.
It's actually what?
48 weeks in the year.
48. Why? Where are you getting 48?
Because there's 4 weeks in each month, and then there's that.
Ma'am, we're going to use this. 52 weeks in a year. So let's use the one that they're telling us. And then estimating is easy math. Who knows the 2 numbers I would multiply?
2 times 5.
2 times 5, which is 10. Please underline that because that 0 there has nothing to do with the zeros that we have to add on. So who knows how many zeros we have to add on? 2. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So it's about 10,000 visitors. So let's just put that answer there. Is it on the back? Okay, good. And then it says, in the upcoming month of July, there will be 5 Saturdays. How many Saturday visitors should the museum expect this July? Well, that's an easy problem. Who knows what we would have to do? What month are you looking for?
July.
Okay, hold on a second. Oh, we're looking for Saturday, first of all. How many people go on Saturday?
309.
So put 309 times how many Saturdays are there in July?
5.
So we're just going to multiply that by 5. And so let's set it up. 309 times 5. And so that's going to be what? Is that 45? 5 times 9?
Yeah,
45. Carry the 4. I should be able to see 45. And then 5 times 0 is 0. Plus 4 more is 45. So you end up with a 0. You end up bringing down the whole 45. And then we go to the next number. 5 times 3 is 15. And that's it. Those are the expected visitors in July. Is that answer on the answer bank?
Yeah.
50, 49, 45, yeah. It's like
Alrighty. And then one more problem. We're going to skip one, and then we're going to get busy. We're going to go down to the 39. All right. So it says, how many devices does the store sell in 8 typical weeks or 8 weeks? The store sells 321 smartphones and 105 tablets each week. How many devices does the store sell in 8 weeks? Who has an idea? There's 2 steps to this. Who knows the first step? Diego, what do you think?
I think you're gonna multiply.
Well, before I multiply, there's something I can do first. How many devices altogether are sold in 1 week? Yeah, we're going to add. What 2 numbers are we going to add?
3, 2, 1, and 105.
There you go. We're going to add 321 and 105. So on the 59, let's get all of our devices together. 3, 2, 1. And Melanie, you should be getting this down.
329.
It's 321. Okay, 321 and then 105. This is for the phones and for the tablets. And so both of these are devices. We can add devices and devices. So that comes to 6, 2, and 4. And so that's for 1 week. How can I find the total they sell in 8 weeks? Yes, ma'am.
Me?
Uh-huh.
Can multiply 46 and 8.
By 8. So we're going to multiply that by 8. I'm going to move it over a little bit. So 4, 2, 6 times 8. And this should be easy. And then we're almost done. 8 times 6 is 48. Carry your 4. So I should see 48. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 4 more is 20. 4 times 8?
28,
32. And you may use your multiplication table. 32 plus 2 more is 34. So altogether, it is 3,408 devices in 8 weeks. Okay. All right, so expect these types of problems on the test on Thursday. Again, it's officially going to be on Thursday. Then let's go ahead and decide how many of these you're going to do with the time that we have left. And I think we're going to try to make it easy. So how about we're going to do 33, 38, 43, 37, 42, 47. So those 3 and 52 and 55. 8 problems and you're done. Can you handle that?
Hold on. You said 33, 38.
So the ones I have circled. 33, 38, 43, 52, 37, 42, 47, and 55. That's it. Okay.
Maybe 36 if you want to.
I would do everything, these first, and then if you want to do any additional ones, all of them are in the answer bank except this row that's written like that. These 2 are on there on the answer bank. But yes, if you want to get additional practice, you certainly can do that. And that's it.